We'll take a look then at part B, C and D, girls. So part B would be 15 squared is equal to 10 squared plus 13 squared. And you work out to see if it works out. And I'll do that now in a minute. C is equal to 22 squared is equal to 17 squared plus 12 squared. And D is 6 point... There's an awful glare in the book for some reason, I can't see it. 6.5 squared is equal to 6 squared. Maybe I need to get glasses, girls, eh? Maybe the age is starting to show. Okay, so we just try them. So the first one is 15 squared. That's 225. And we see if 10 squared plus 13 squared gives you the same answer. 269, so that's a no. So that's an X, no. It's not a right angle triangle. And the second one then, it's 22 squared is equal to 484. And then again it's 17 squared plus 12 squared. And that's 433. So again, that's a no. And the last one then is 6.5 squared is 42.25 is equal to 36 plus 2.5 squared. And that is also 42.25, so that's a yes. Okay. And now for tonight's homework then, girls, I'm going to ask you to move on to page 186. And the only difference on page 186 is that they're real life problems, okay? So for example, if you take a look at question 3, it talks about a ladder. And it shows you a picture and it talks about a ladder being 8 meters high and it props up onto a wall 10 meters high and it asks you for how far away from the wall is it. So while it's talking about ladders and painting or boats or chalkboards or anything, the only thing you're interested in is the triangle that they give you the picture of. Here I have my hypotenuse, I have my A and I'm looking for my B. Okay, exactly the same homework as what you've had in the previous ones, except now it's applied to what they call real life. Okay, but it's really exactly the same calculation over and over again. So what I'm going to ask you to do, girls, is page, and we'll start easy on these ones because there's a couple I want to take a look at on page 187, 7, 9 and 10. They're a little bit harder in terms of the way they ask. But I'm just going to ask you to take a look at a couple for me. I'm going to ask you to take a look at 1, 3 and 5. And that's for the weekend. And I'll be back on to you on Monday then. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. Thanks.